Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, today I put on the Clearwater Erica lights. You can get a look at them here. I'm going to wait till the sun goes down and then do a brightness test on these so you can get a before and after. But that's how they look on the bike. I didn't like how they mounted up. These are Outback crash bars, and the mounting bracket here just put the lights too close to the bike. So I'm just experimenting with a little spacer here, but I'll tighten that up. But anyways, I want to get them out of the way, so when I fall, there's less of a chance for these to get crushed. Here's the controls. I put the rheostat here. It changes the brightness if you're using the driving light mode, and then I just bought a little three-way switch off Amazon. These lights have 3 modes, or 2 modes and an off, so I'll go through that a little later. Alright, it's dark now, so put on the those are high beams, low beams, fog lamps, low beams, that's the high. I got to turn the bike on to get the Ericas working.